Hello, everybody listening to me. Please, if you have any spare money, please, I advise you to go and buy what? Go and buy any of these coins. Please, Bitcoin has gone down below how much? Can you look at it? Below $36,000. This Bitcoin you are looking at with minus 8%. I can assure you that before December, this same Bitcoin you are looking at now that is less than $36, $36,000, we go as high as minimum. We're expecting Bitcoin to hit at least $70,000 or even $100,000 or even $150,000. So if you have money, contact me. Let me show you or help you to buy Bitcoin. Then for those who don't have money, who have little money, please make sure you buy Tron. Tron is at the cost of 0.05. Before December, this same Tron can hit $1 or $0.5. You can imagine how much you're going to make. Another one you need to buy, if you have money, spare money, you can buy Panda Inu with minus 13. You can buy Ether Connect. You can buy, look at this one, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is down with minus 24%. By Monday, this thing you are seeing that is minus 24 can grow up to positive. So if you have enough money, buy enough Shiba Inu now. Okay? Buy Doge Elon if you have enough money. Buy all these cheap coins. You know, Doge Elon is so cheap. It's like 0.0000 up to 5 or 6 zeros. Shiba Inu is very cheap. The cost of one is 0.00040 zeros. So with your 50,000 naira or 100,000 naira or even 20,000 naira or even 10,000 naira, you can buy many. Now, let me tell you another thing you can do, try a luck. I want everybody listening to me to go and add Minerium. They will dash you $5,900 now. Do this Minerium on your airdrop wallet, or create a new wallet and do it, because I don't trust it. But you can see I got 5,000 something for free. So get it for free.